Okay. I'm gonna drive your car. Sounds like I have a GoPro in my mouth, because I do. How do you adjust the seat?
There, you just move forward.
Manual adjusting?
Yeah.
How much is this car?
67?
You pay $67,000 in a manual seat adjuster?
Race car. It's because of race car.
I'm like, why do you sound like
Right.
I do have hang on my mouth.
Sound a little Asian right now. Just a tiny
That's racist, man.
bit. I'm just
Why is
kidding.
it not on your forehead?
Because I can't get this view of my forehead.
And then put your foot on the brake, foot on the gas, and then foot to the floor, and then launch when you go. Go.
Oh! Photo shoot time. Tesla.
Fancy new wheels.
Steve's here just for changing plates.
Yeah.
This is his job. Professional plate changer.
I'm scared to like screw this thing all the way because it's gonna like.
Why?
Hold it too fast.
What you mean?
I'm scared to like screw it all the way in.
Yeah, just screw it all in.
Yeah.
I took them off. They were all the way in.
Okay.
There's probably a hole in the bumper already.
There's two little dots from them already touching. So.
Yeah. Big boy camera. Look at this thing. Crazy. Carbon fiber. So sweet. Attached to a Raptor. Meanwhile, what the fuck is this thing?
Which one? Which one? We have the laser combobulation. This shoots drone out of the air. And no, but this is a shot over. This is our 6-axis gyro stabilized camera system. And then this is going to be the 1,000 frame per second banger hammer, where we're going to see all the detail on the tire and show what it's doing under load and under braking. And yeah, so pretty cool for data and for footage.
That's cool. What the hell is this thing called?
That is a Phantom Flex 4K.
Phantom Flex 4K.
Yeah, so we could shoot 1,000 frames a second 4K.
And here's the Bang Bus. Got all our drone equipment, camera equipment, coffee equipment, all in here. Hopefully this don't fall. All right, now we're gonna assemble our Inspire 2. This guy is a big boy. So this thing's, the whole complete package is about $20,000. Comes with the X7 big boy camera. This dude, carbon fiber everything. So I'm trying to figure out if I want wides. Probably gonna run a 50mm today. This is my 50mm lens. Unlike the popular Phantom, this drone is capable of swapping out lenses. So we're gonna run the 50 because I don't want to be too low to the ground. And it's kind of windy today, so hopefully 50 will work out just fine. That means I need to slap on my polarizer. And these things use the same polarizer as the GoPro, so it's kind of cool.
Do we want to move the cones and adjust for his stopping position, or do we want to speed him up a few miles an hour? Right now he's stopping about 4 feet shy of the finish line.
It's so windy. Look at the drone. It's not even fucking still. Oh shit, that was crazy.
Shooting this light's so tough.
Really?
Yeah. It's like super glary.
And then it looks like you're gonna overexpose certain shots, but you won't. When you're shooting, when it's cloudy like this, you gotta underexpose.
All right, let's go.
Let's see. How do you do this? Oh.
What mode is this?
I don't know.
We don't even know what mode this
I don't
is.
even know how to move the wheel. If the wheel does move.
First world problems.
Oh, it's probably on here somewhere.
Steering wheel. Ah, the ball. Oh.
How do you go out? Oh, wow.
That's cool.
Look at that. All right.
I like this shape too. It's like the Momo Monte Carlo. It's like oval.
Yeah.
Driving? What mode is it? Punch it! Oh, that pulls!
That's so creepy.
Dude, that's got some torque.
Yeah. This thing feels like a go-kart.
No way.
No, just like how low we are and how much you can see.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
heavy. It's crazy.
Does it feel heavy?
No, it feels very light. Suspension's a little rough.
Sporty, baby, sporty.
I mean, it feels like a normal car for the most part.
Oh, it feels pretty good actually.
Yeah.
Suspension's stiffer than I thought.
Well, it has coilovers, so.
Oh, okay.
I mean,
Interesting.
at least I think it has coilovers. It definitely feels like a car with coilovers.
This is a bumpy ass track.
Yeah, it's pretty much like a street.
Yeah.
Like a street circuit.
Yeah.
It's really rough. Let's see.
This is all-wheel drive, right?
Yeah.
Whoa, this thing pulls.
Yeah.
Shit. That's awesome.
Yeah, it gets up there pretty quick. That instant torque.
Here we drop down from 197 to 194.
I know, I'm trying to conserve the battery for all the rolling shots we're doing later.
They don't have a charge station here, do they?
No, but we can find an electrical outlet.
Should've brought a generator.
Yeah.
Damn, dude, this thing's quick.
Yeah, it is pretty quick. It's not P100D quick, but it's still really quick.
I can only imagine how fast the P100 is.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
You want me to take this car back? Alright.
Oh, we're just gonna go up? Should we have the cop behind us?
Yeah.
Spot number 2. Is our mobile detailer. I think we pissed everybody off. Like a whole load of traffic back here.
I was wondering, do you want me using turn signals when switching lanes since it's
I know.
road to make it look more like
Yeah, I think that would be the only place where we have them. I think everywhere else is going to be like single lane. So
yeah.
if you see like if we happen to turn it like a stop sign now, then you could do like
yeah.
like rear blinkers.
So today we're shooting this BMW with our new tire. I can't show you the tire because it's not released yet, but it's on there. And we got 2 units here, and we had a 3rd unit help us too earlier.
Silver Lake City lookout. So I'll drive. You tell me where to go. Yep. Yeah.
We're going back down?
Yeah, it's 14 minutes. That way? No, it's back that way.
Back down.
Oh, it's on the other side. Yes. Oh.
All right, let's do it. You gonna stop traffic, cop? No? Womp womp womp. Some guy just got pulled over there. Oh, we can't see through the window.
Oh, there's two.
Oh, there you go. They're gonna stop people out there? No.
Go car.
Good. Oh, they're gonna go around me. All right. Beautiful. Look at that. Location number 2. Awesome.
That's how we do
This is
it.
a new GoPro? It's a 7. That was. There's one that just came out after that, right?
Very good, very good.
Sounds good.
And then we're just gonna do the same thing. We're gonna go back this way, back that way to the end, and then we'll come back to that lockup, and then we'll come back here.
Ooh, I can hear that spool. What is this thing?
Shot over.
What is
Shot
it?
over F1 gimbal.
What does it do?
It's a 6-axis stabilized camera system that makes things all butter smooth.
Butter.
Butter.
Look at that thing. It sounds so mechanical.
Yeah.
Look at this parking job.
Rookie. I got my tire just.
Nah, it's not a rookie. They said try to make yourself small, so I freaking jumped up this little hill thingy. Hooligans. Look at that, there's a fridge over there. You have low cholesterol
Yeah.
by eating bacon. It's awesome. I need to start doing this. Hey, Carl, are you still doing your keto?
No, not this weekend.
You gave up
I didn't give up.
No, I lost 64 pounds in 12 months.
by eating bacon.
It's keto. Just a high fat, low
We
low
either
carb.
go